First time doing this, making tinctures, alcohol based. We got our vodka, 80 proof. We got our herbs, holy basil, motherwort, ashwagandha root. Got them in the jars. Now we pour the vodka to cover them. Alright, this is what it looks like after it's been poured and swirled to make sure the alcohol covers all of it. You're just gonna swirl every day pretty much and keep it in a dark, cool spot for 4 to 6 weeks and make sure it's labeled. So yeah, here we go. Creepy basements, perfect storage location. Come in here same time every day just to give them a swirl. Okay, it's been 4 weeks, so brought the tinctures out. This is what they look like. We are going to transfer them into these guys, any jar with a cheesecloth to strain. So we're gonna pour this into here, strain it, and then pour this guy through the funnel into the cups. Make sure we have our labels. I ran out of jars, so we're using just like a bowl. And as far as like the labeling goes, like what you want to put on there, just put as much information as you can, pretty much. Definitely write the dates of like when you made it. You could put a shelf life, but I mean, it depends. You just want to make sure there's no like plant matter in here. Keeping it stored in like a fridge is the best bet for longer shelf life.